class you are studying?
7th F.
What did you make?
I made for pollution. I made
Nimra Nawaz. Light.
Very good work. बच्चे का नाम मलक मुजम्मल है। ये अच्छी तरह सुन और बोल नहीं सकता, लेकिन इसके बावजूद इसने जो एफर्ट की है, जो इसकी काबिश है, वो काबिल तारीफ़ है। इसने अपने 6 सैंपल मशीन बनाई है, जो आप देख सकते हैं, और ये वेरी इंटेलिजेंट बॉय है। और इसने मैडम, आपका बच्चा माशाल्लाह बहुत ज़हीन है।
बहुत शुक्रिया।
आपने इसकी बहुत इनकरेजमेंट की है। आप हमें डिटेल बिट मोर बताएंगे इसके बारे में?
माशाल्लाह ये कि बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है और ही इज़ वेरी क्रिएटिव एज वेल एंड ही इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन साइंस। और बाकी इस बच्चे का अपना एफर्ट भी है, इंटरेस्ट शोज़, और आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू दिस इंस्टीट्यूशन। आई माई सेल्फ एम ए टीचर इन दिस स्कूल एंड द स्कूल हैज़ encouraged me a lot in each and every field, and they have encouraged the child as well. I'm really grateful.
Screen to tell if it's a base. So this way we can tell whether substance is an acid or a base.
So what is the difference between the acid and the base? Yes, sure.
A spectrum. You can look at this and you can find a spectrum. Yeah. And this is due to the diffraction grating of the CD. Diffraction grating means that the CD has the ability to reflect, to break the light into a spectrum.
I decided to mix they just separate and the oil layers up on the water because it has a lower density of the water. That's it.
How it is being manufactured in the factories?
And they are using machines for this purpose, and they are manufacturing this kind of. My name is Sanam, and
What did you make?
I make carbon dioxide. I'm going to make carbon dioxide by baking soda is carbonate, so I'm going to add vinegar in it. When I connect this with the positive terminal, and the electrons are equalized, that is why it stops the reaction.
Carbon dioxide is heavier than oxygen. Mixing the powder and vinegar, it makes carbon dioxide and it will blow this candle. When the carbon dioxide is produced, it will finish this candle. Carbon dioxide is heavier, so it will finish the oxygen in the jar. So, sir, it is a problem. Rubab, sir. Water cycle first. Experiment. I will gonna light up with a candle. The heat will come up and I'm gonna put the water. Sadi Akbar.
What did you make?
Rainbow milk.
Basically.
Food and milk have surface intention. It is just like a water. Layer chromatography. And then I'll be separating some colors. So with the carbon dioxide.
How do you do? What's your name?
Aisha Aslam.
What did you make, Aisha?
Sir, we take 3 types of color and a milk. They will flow. That they are flow.
This is the balloon without water, and if we put it on the candle, it will be.
Candle and candle below.
How alkali or acidic the solution is. It's made of the red cabbage juice. Of the solution, if it's coming in the reds, it's an acidic. I make the crystallization of sodium bicarbonate and salt.
Okay, explain it.
First, I dissolve some sodium bicarbonate in a water until no more sodium bicarbonate will dissolve. Then I heat it. At the last, a crystals of the sodium bicarbonate will be formed. Here, I dissolve some salt. Then I heat it. At the last, a salt crystals will be formed. Finish. Sir, for this experiment is floating eggs, and this is static charge. Sir, first I got 3 glasses. Then I poured equal quantity of water in all of the glass. Then I put 4 teaspoons of salt in this and this too. I put this empty. I just poured water. Sir, when I put the egg in it, it is floating, sir.
I'm turning lime water into milk, and I'm doing the reaction of a sanitizer. If you burn this, it will produce a blue flame. I'll show you. This is lime water. carbon dioxide in it, it will turn milky. It produces calcium carbonate and water. And if we blow carbon dioxide, it turns milky.
Oh, is that caught fire?
Yes, miss, it didn't burn. Rubbing alcohol 70% and it doesn't burn. In movies, they use it to show that it's burning, but it's not burning.
Look at the camera.
Yeah, it's not burning.
What did you
Okay,
make?
and this is hydrochloric acid, and
Hydrochloric acid.
yes, and this is pH paper. This is pH. I will dip it in it, and as it is hydrochloric acid, it will turn into red.
Litmus paper.
Yes, litmus paper. And
What's your name?
my name is Hamza.
What did you make, Hamza?
This is a tornado, and this is doing the experiment with the egg. It is heating.
So that means you can make invisible ink with this one?
Yes.
My name is Intezar. I'm in grade 6. I made Volcano project, which I put a lot of things, but especially baking soda and vinegar, which kind of splashes out from the volcano. I showed that how that the lava comes out from it.
This lists the time and the effort. This is a spec camouflage. In this project, we see the white color contain of 7 component colors. Usama Rida.
So we have made an electromagnet. We take magnetic force in the form of electricity. See, sir, we bring 2 iron nails and 2 batteries.
The newspaper in the red cabbage for about 30 minutes, and after that I soaked it. So now it is ready. In this paper there is an soluble pigment called flavin. Sir, when it reacts with any acid or alkaline, sir, there is a chemical reaction which causes it to change its color. Sir, I'll demonstrate now. Sir, here I've got lemon juice. Okay. When I insert this pH.
Good one you have seen.
मैं इनकी ग्रेड 7 और 8 की साइंस की टीचर हूँ और मैं साइंस को कोऑर्डिनेट करती हूँ 7 और 8 की क्लास के लिए। हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल इन लोगों को बेसिकली एक ओपन थीम दी गई थी कि जिस प्रोजेक्ट को चाहें, जिस टॉपिक पर चाहें साइंस में से पिक करके उस पर एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, मॉडल्स और प्रोजेक्ट्स बना सकते हैं।
How is this? First of all, we brought a coil of wire. A coil of wire is a very good conductor of electricity, so it has free electrons. Then we put a magnet inside it. This magnet has a magnetic field which forces the electrons inside the coil of wire to revolve. Then practically, see the galvanometer, it shows some current. Then we did a cotton bale.
This can even be used to produce infinite energy because every electric object has some magnetism. So if we place another coil over here, it will force the charges of the other coil to revolve. So
this is an elevator. Here is the motor, and here all the gears are present. Gears are here to move the lift, which decreases its speed and increases its power. Here the tracks are here to keep the lift straight. When I on the button, the lift goes down and the elevator comes up. See this, the weight is coming up. The elevator is going down and the weight is coming up.
This is a vinegar battery, and I have used this zinc and this nail. Okay, and this zinc which runs with air power. Actually, it cuts the air and pushes back, so the car is light and it's moved forward.
Aman from 8E. This is a circuit. There are many types of circuits here. This is a LED, a push switch, a touch sensitive plate and a normal switch. This is a reed switch. This is a very rare and complicated switch.
Today I'm going to show you that 2 potatoes are forming an electricity to light up 1 LED bulb. The main point of this is that 2 galvanized nail is acting as a zinc negative charge and 2 pennies which is acting as a positive. So I'm going to take the electricity, and this is a blue and south one. It goes to the positive side. It detects the amount of electricity it's producing here.
This is called power, and this is the acid, citric acid, and in it there is more ions produced, due to which the power is lemon. There's citric acid, so due to which the power is produced, and it is without the batteries. It's without the batteries, and it is working, and you can do with it vinegar also.
It can be sound, it can make sounds, and when if you don't touch it, you will win the game. Make this, and when the remote, I make the light from